This is how you make zesty pineapple dressing. This is 3 out of 4 reels, and this is what you need. Brown sugar, mayonnaise, pineapple, garlic, jalapenos, spring onions, and rice wine vinegar. Chop up your pineapple, then chop up your jalapenos. I used one spring onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Sorry, I had to think then. And then I tossed it all in the blender cup. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and I'm going to blend away. Then I'm also going to add 2 big heap spoons of mayonnaise. And just like that, I'm going to whiz it up. And I'll show you what it looks like after blending. There you go. On to the next reel. This is the one that puts it all together.